Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to share with you some must-know beach hacks. Now this is if you live on the beach or near the beach like I do, or if you just come on vacation, here are some hacks that you definitely need to know. All right, first up is these snack containers or lunch containers. I love these so much. I use them for the beach. I use them for the pool. I use them when I take snacks just out of the house. They are great. Some even come with the little coolers that can go inside, but they're perfect for fruit, vegetables, and then they fit a sandwich perfectly in that other little corner. These are so great. I love them so much. And then I found this container at Dollar Tree. It's got bigger sections. I really love it. It's like a silicone material, very easy to wash, and it fits perfectly in my cooler. So I highly recommend these containers. And then this other little hack most people know about, but not everyone who lives in a hot climate. It's to freeze water bottles instead of using ice packs, or use them in conjunction with ice packs like I do. It not only keeps your food cold, but it also provides you with a nice ice cold drink by the time you get to the beach or the pool or wherever you're going. It's super practical and it serves two purposes. Love this one. And us personally, we use two coolers, one for food and one for drinks. That way we just make sure we have enough liquids for the beach. So here we are unpacking our snack boxes for the kids. And then I also lay out the fruit tray so they can just graze as they please. But I really love these. I will link them down below. I did get mine from Walmart and I believe they were $4 or $5. And then this large container, like I said, was from Dollar Tree and it was $5. Highly recommend Dollar Tree. I found a lot of good stuff and you'll see what I'm talking about in the next clip. All right, next up is our tackle box, our first aid tackle box. You can use this for food too. I love these so much. I got it from Dollar Tree. I scored big at Dollar Tree. I got 90% of my stuff there. But the little tackle box, you can take the little plastic pieces out, the dividers, and use the big containers, the smaller sides, whichever you need. But I got so much good stuff from Dollar Tree. I did get some things from Walmart, like the medicines and stuff, because I like the name brand, but that's just preference. But they had so much good stuff: deodorant, hand sanitizer, toothpicks, chapstick, you name it, whatever you want to put in there that you might need for first aid or that you might forget at home. Hair ties, hairpins, hair clips. And these portable soap sheets were so amazing. We used them twice at the beach. And you can't forget about electrolytes and a hair comb. Those two go hand in hand when you go to the beach. So here I am. I'm just going to go ahead and put them in the container. Like I said, I did this a few times, removing the inserts and dividers and kind of trying to figure out what would fit. But I love this so much. It's something I take to the pool, to the beach, anytime I go out with the family and with the kids for Band-Aids. Whatever first aid supplies you will need, trust me, you'll be happy you have this. Now here are those soap sheets. I absolutely love these. It lathered up really nice. Just use some bottled water to keep your hands clean if they get sticky, or if my kids, for example, were painting, you'll see a little bit later. It did help with that. Or you just want to make sure your hands are nice and clean before you eat. This is a good way to go. Love this find so much at the Dollar Tree. All right, next up is this seashell painting kit. I thought it was a really cute idea. I got 2 watercolor painting kits from Dollar Tree, as well as the brushes from Dollar Tree. And then I had these seashells that I decorate with. But the idea is to use seashells from the beach, but I did pack some bigger ones just in case they couldn't find any. You never know. It's always a gamble when you're looking for seashells. But nonetheless, it was a cute idea. It kept my kids busy for an hour. So I love this hack. All right, next one, which I never knew about until I went to Walmart a couple weeks ago and I saw these waterproof cards and I was like, that is genius. It was amazing. So we got Uno and regular playing cards. If you like to play, solitaire or rummy or whatever, you like to play. They do have Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza, if you know that game. My daughter loves it. We have that one as well, but it's so easy and so fun, and you don't have to worry about the cards getting ruined by water and salt and sand. So I really like this hack. Highly recommend. All right, this next one I thought was genius as well, is you write down with a Sharpie the date and time that you first applied your sunscreen, and then you can write down the next time, so you can keep track of how often you need to apply it. Say, it's 60 minutes, 80 minutes, 90 minutes. That way you know the last time you applied it. And when you're done, use alcohol wipe and remove it. Super simple. This one is genius as well. You're going to take your carabiners. You can get these at Dollar Tree, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. And you're just going to tie up your flip-flops, your sandals, when they're all sandy and nasty, so that when you're packing up and leaving, you can just hang them on your wagon or on your backpack if you don't have a wagon. And you don't have to carry your shoes. You're hands-free. So I thought that was genius. All right, another one that I love so much, we use this every single time, is this pop-up hamper I got from Dollar Tree. Now you can take your sandy, dirty toys, stick them in the container there, the laundry basket, and shake, shake, shake. You can even dip it in the ocean to remove all of the sand, to get them super clean so you don't have sand all over your car. I love this one. You can even put dirty clothes and towels in there, so you can just dump it when you get home. Just take it right up to the laundry room. Super practical. Another great hack is to get a container. I got mine from Dollar Tree, but you can get any container. It really doesn't matter. I had my husband go fill it up with water so the kids can make their sand castles right by us. They didn't have to sit by the water in the hot sun. It also doubles as a place for them to play and put their toys in if they want to put like boats. And then also you can dip your feet and your hands in there to keep them clean. If you've got, a sheet or towels, you don't want to get sand all over the place. This is super great too. And last but not least, I found this hook attachment on Amazon. It's super practical. You can hang your garbage bag, your sunglasses, your goggles, or if you've got a wet towel that you want it to get dry, you can hang that on there as well. These are super practical. I highly recommend these. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed these hacks. I know some of them are kind of self-explanatory, but nonetheless, I wanted to share with you how I pack for the beach, how we get prepared, how we do things that saves time, that saves energy, that saves us from the sand, the sun, whatever it may be. I will link everything that I purchased down below, with the exception of the Dollar Tree stuff. That kind of stuff you kind of have to go in store and find, but I promise you they have so much good stuff at Dollar Tree for $1.25. It's totally worth it. Highly recommend checking there first before you go anywhere else. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can make a part 2. I do have more ideas if you guys want to see more. So let me know in the comments down below if that's something you're interested in seeing. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.